On April 1st, 2017, both undergraduate and graduate students participated in the GURS, the Graduate and Undergraduate Research Symposium put on by the North Carolina Central University Graduate School. The Department of Environmental, Earth, and Geospatial Sciences had about 13 students present poster presentations as well as oral presentations that transcended all of the subjects that we've talked about in both our undergraduate classes and our graduate classes. We had two projects that focused specifically on the newly acquired drone. Sierra Gilliam used the drone to georeference imagery taking of the NCCU football field. Malik Clark and Catherine Gates are using the drone to detect garbage and the outlines of garbage from lakes and water bodies using the drone and looking at algorithms in order to do that. Kristen Zdansky highlighted his project that he's been working on with Dr. Zhiming Yang on AOD to look at the relationship between data, AOD optical depth taking from a satellite versus AOD readings. Graduate students Corliss Johnson, Theo Nusi, and Mernaz Kadminian used their geostatistics applications to look at changes in heart disease death rates throughout the state of North Carolina using the techniques learned in their geostatistics class. Undergraduate student Kumar looked at the relationship between proximity to major highways and air quality and particulate matter. Graduate student Rebecca Mixon talks about one of the projects she's doing in her internship with the DFI, Development Finance Institute, with the University of North Carolina. Here she explains.
30-second explanation. This is looking at using the GIS technique, weighted overlay analysis, to find a suitable development for a greenway system connecting the town of Boone and Blowing Rock. So we looked at 3 data layers as our influence. We looked at slope, we looked at hydrology, so the floodplain, as well as soil data. It ended up coming out, of course, that slope would have the major influence because it's a very slopey area between the two along US 321. And this is the end map for a balanced weighted overlay where we located 4 sections that would have, these 4 sections that are green were found to be the most suitable for greenway development.
Cool, thank you. DEGS students were also successful in the awards. Rebecca won first place in the graduate poster presentation, while Ashley Marks won second place in the oral presentation for use of geospatial technology within primary education to increase students' understanding of geographic concepts. Craig Peterson won third place in the graduate poster competition. He used geostatistical analysis to explore hotspots of coal ash versus hotspots of potential health outcomes. Hylia O'Quinn won third place in the undergraduate poster competition. She mapped the spatial distribution of swine lagoons throughout the state and looked at the potential impacts on watersheds that flow into the Atlantic Ocean. Lastly, we had students working with DEGS faculty also win awards. Physics student Jimmy Acevedo won first place in the undergraduate poster competition for his work on drones. And Erica Clinton, pictured here taking applied GIS, won second place in the undergraduate poster competition where she mapped the spatial relationships between school attendance and EOG scores and made some very powerful conclusions showing that attendance and school achievement were directly related to each other. Congratulations to everyone who competed. The DEGS really highlighted its skills in environmental, earth, and geospatial sciences. This is a great opportunity for students to highlight their skills, their experiences, their classroom work, and their soft skills as they prepare for graduate school further along and the professional world.